if you have been active on Mepass Wallet, you would have seen this new update. All right. If you have not seen it, just go to Play Store, update your app, or App Store, anyone you're using, update your app, and you will see it. All right. So, okay, let me go here, because this is actually good news for people that are active on this project. Right. So when you see here, they said MEC Gifts use smart contract for on-chain distribution, supporting the creation and sharing of MEC, USDT, and USDC. All right. So how is it good news? If you have been on this platform, you would have seen the playlist I've done on how to master Mepass Wallet earnings. Right. So if you have not joined, check the description of this video, the comment section, or go to our playlist on this channel and watch and learn, and also start earning with us. Right. That being said, when you click on this MEC Gift, it's actually giving me that Binance Square vibe. All right. And if you have been on this community, I've said it before, they are coming with another update, which is something like social media, right? They are coming with, like, okay, let me explain this place first before we go that. So when you come to this page, you see send gifts. You see this send gifts. Okay, let me cancel this. You see this send gifts here. You see what this means. Let me just explain it. This lucky gifts means, just like Binance Square, where there's a place you can put it on random. That means if you put one MEC, some people might receive 0.1, some people might receive 0.2. That's the meaning of this lucky gift. But you see this split. Split means everybody's collecting the same amount. Everybody's collecting the same amount. And for the purpose of this video, I want to drop how to do it, like how to receive if somebody send you the code, or how to create it by yourself. So to do that, let me enter the total amount. I still have some MEC on mine. The minimum you can do is 0.01. So let's go. Let me just say, okay, I'm doing it to one person. You can do it to up to 500 people. Then you can choose it to maybe everyone or new users. But me, I'm doing it to everyone. The claim time, is it 5 days or 24 hours? Let me put it on 24 hours. All right. You can just read these rules just to understand how it works, right? So then we just say, okay, let's go. Confirm. Okay, let me pause because I have to put my details. Okay, I've put my details, and that is it. Gift created successfully. This gift will expire by, you can see, I put it on 24 hours, so you need to share. I'll just click on share and I will copy. You can just click on share and you can share it to any social media you want to use. All right, this is the, okay, let me just copy it. You can see the invitation poster if you want. All right, just depend on you. So anybody that scanned this, the person can claim the gift, right? Okay, let's say you are in the community and I just share the link. How are you going to claim it? Let's do that right now. Let's go to WhatsApp. All right, so this is how the link looks like. Let's say you see this in a group. You see this in a group and they say you should claim. What you just need to do is to click on it. You click on it and it will take you to your browser. That means if you are using, let's say, okay, hold on. If you are using any browser, maybe Mrs. or, but here I'm using Chrome, right? So you can see you have a gift to claim from Solid Crypto, and I just, okay, open gift. They will tell you to enter an email that you use, the email that is linked to your wallet, or maybe your Me ID or wallet address. But for me, I'll be using my wallet address to claim it. So you can use all those your details to claim it. All right. So let me click. You see, you have received 0.01 MEC. A gift has been reserved for you. Go to your Mepass to complete the claim, and I just click OK. Go to Mepass. All right. So please, if the first time you are watching video on this channel or any of our socials you are watching this, please follow or subscribe and help us grow. All right. So immediately you claim, you would have, if the reason why it's slow now is because of network, but you will see it here. Let's wait for it. You should see it here. You should see it here. It should pop up there. Only 14 retweets. And if you are doing this particular one too, you should know that we have airspace going on it. Okay, good. You can see it. Look at this. You have a gift waiting to be claimed. When you see that, you just click on it. You see, I just click on it now. So when you click on it, wait for it to load. Wait for it to load, and good. You now click on open gift. When you click on open gift, the next thing you see, the reward is here for you. All right. So that's how simple it is to claim gifts or to create a gift code if you want to do any of them. All right. So it's very simple. But if you have questions on this again, or you want to join, the link to join is there for you to join in the description of this video or the comment section, or go to our channel and you will see. I also attach the link of the playlist on how to verify, how to do everything, how to sell by yourself. And remember, I also buy this MEC. So if you want to sell to me, you can just message me on WhatsApp and I will buy any amount you have with you. All right. So that is that about that. Let me show you the new socials that are coming. So when you come to the dashboard there, you see this chat. So this is giving me the Binance Square vibe where you chat and earn. All right. So I want you to be prepared for this. If you have not registered, register, verify yourself, and stay in our various groups and wait for the update. That is live. We are going to take charge from here, right? MEC is pumping every day, so please don't miss out on this, right? So that's about that. If you find this video very helpful, please help us subscribe and share with your friends. You can ask your question in the comment section, and I will do my best to reply to all questions. See you in the next video.